Assalamu alaikum dosto. Today we are going to translate these all statements into Arabic, Urdu and Hindi. This is very useful, but it is not working in Excel. So sometime we have to install Google Translation, but now we will translate these all. Stay with us. We have to copy this table and select Google Sheet and paste here. Now here we will write Google formula equal to Google Translate. This is Google Translate, and then we have to select the cell which we want to translate. So we will press F4 to make permanent, comma, the language which is here. EN, this is in English, and we want to translate in Arabic, AR. So copy, paste and paste. Here we will use HI for Hindi. Here UR for Urdu, and simply drag and drop. Sorry, it should not permanent. So simply we will again select and drag and drop. Now we have to select all the table, copy and right click, go to special paste, paste value only. So now formula is already finished. Now we have to select this data, copy and go to our Excel book and paste here. It is very useful. Thank you.